Welcome to online class. I welcome my students of Sayaviti Society High School, Gachipur. Today, I am going to discuss about suffixes and prefixes and affixes for the students of class 8. I welcome my students to join with online class. And before going to discuss about suffixes, prefixes, and affixes, we have to know what is suffixes, what is prefixes, and what is affixes. Most of the students don't know about the chapter well. And before going to this chapter, you have to understand about the syllable. You know, I have written some common ideas about suffixes, prefixes, and affixes. I'm going to make you understand so easily how you will be able to appear in your exam with suffixes, prefixes, and affixes. You know, if you break down a word, you will find some syllable. For an example, Rohim is an unhappy person. Unhappy. Un plus happy equal to unhappy. Here, un is a syllable, happy is a syllable. And if you break down a word, the part of a word is called syllable. And we will find monosyllable, disyllable, trisyllable, and polysyllable. And now I am going to discuss about suffixes, prefixes, and affixes. Suffixes equal to given word plus syllable. Prefixes means you have to write down syllable first, then given word. I mean, syllable will take place before the given word. In case of suffixes, syllable will take place after given word. And affixes is the syllable will take place both before the given word and after the given word. I am repeating again. If you see the suffixes, the given word, you see, Mr. Rohim is a happy man. Happy man. Here, happy. You have to change these sentences adding syllable. Okay. And if you write here un, then Mr. Rohim is an unhappy man. Okay? And here, un is a syllable, happy is a syllable. And this un already have taken place before happy, before this word. And this is prefix. Pre means before. And in case of suffix, the syllable will take place after the given word. And in case of prefixes, syllable will take place before the given word. In case of affixes, syllable will take place both before and after. Okay? Now, I am going to show you some example about suffixes, prefixes, and affixes. Basically, suffixes, prefixes, and affixes is more closely connected with the meaning of the given passage. And if you don't understand the meaning of the given passage, you will not be able to write down suffixes, prefixes, or affixes. You have to match the words which you will write. Okay? You have to match. You have to match the meaning of the word with the suffixes, prefixes, and affixes. And without any meaning, and it will be wrong. So, for an example, you see that Here I have written dash no is power. Yeah, no is power. And what will be the word here? Will it be suffixes? Will it be prefixes? Or will it be affixes? But you have to understand. And what will be the word here? No. K-N-O-W, no. L-E-D-G-E, knowledge. Knowledge is power. And this is a meaningful sentence. Here, knowledge. Knowledge is power. Okay? And if you write down here knowledge, then this sentence will be completed. And this way, you have to write down the suffixes, prefixes, and affixes according to the meaning of the given passage. For an example, he acts with me, friend. Though he is rich, he is very much operative. You see, he acts with me dash friend. He acts, behavior. He behaves with me how? Friendly. Okay? Friendly. Friend, friendly. Friend, friend, friendly. Unfriend, friendship. Okay, there are many words about friend. Friend, friendly, friend, unfriend, friendship. Okay, but which word here will be take place? Because you have to show it is important to know about the meaning of the rest of the words. Okay, he behaves with me friendly. Friendly. Okay, then it will be a meaningful sentence. If you write down here, he acts with me unfriend. No, it is not a meaningful word, a sentence. And if you say he acts with me friendship, no, it will not be a complete sentence. And if you write down he acts with me friendly, and it will be a complete sentence with a meaningful sentence. Second, though he is rich, though he is rich, he is very much operative. Operative, and so he is very much cooperative. And this is prefix. Okay, cooperative. But you have to understand. You have to know the word cooperative. And if you don't know about the word cooperative, a word is operative, and you have no idea about this word, but you will not be capable to write down here cooperative. But in case of suffixes, prefixes, and affixes, you have to increase your vocabs. You have to increase your vocabularies. And if you don't know the word, and how will you write down suffixes and prefixes or affixes? Okay, now I am going to show an example about affixes. Okay, you see that he goes to school every day. Very often he remains sad. You see, I have written a short paragraph here. He goes to school every day. Very often he remains sad. Dash fortunate. He has been suffering from fever for 2 days. You see, fortunate, unfortunately, unfortunate, N-E-T-E-L-Y, unfortunately. You see here un, here L-Y, and this is the syllable, this is the two parts, and main word is fortunate, and this is affixes. If you write the syllable before the given word and after the given word, and this is called affixes. Affixes. But I'm repeating again that you have to understand the meaning of the given passage and you have to adjust what will you write down. Okay? And I hope and believe that all of my students will go through your textbooks. Also, for honest, you see honesty. You see dishonest. You see dishonestly. Honest is the main word, key word, and if you see that honesty, this is affixes. Dishonest, this is prefixes. Dishonestly, this is affixes. And you have to memorize, you have to keep in your mind about this word. Honest, honestly, dishonest, dishonestly. This word according to main word, honest. And if you don't know about this word, about the meaning of this word, and you will not be capable to write down. There are suffixes, prefixes, or affixes. So you have to memorize. You have to go through your textbooks, and you will find lots of suffixes, prefixes, and affixes. And you have to take help also from your textbooks. And now I'm going to show you another passage. For an example, a newspaper is a storehouse of it helps us for gather knowledge. So every should read newspaper regular. Here, this is a short passage here. A newspaper is a storehouse of know. What will be here? Know equal to knowledge. A newspaper is a storehouse of knowledge. You can write down here knowledge. Now, this is a meaningful sentence. It helps us for gather. For if you find any preposition before verb, and then you should add ing. So it helps us for gathering knowledge. So dash every should read newspaper regular. So every here, everybody should read newspaper regular. Regular means regularly. regularly. Yes, and now this paragraph is shown that a newspaper is a storehouse of knowledge. It helps us for gathering knowledge. So everybody should read newspaper regularly, and this is a complete meaningful passage. So I welcome my students to watch online classes, and besides online class, you must follow your textbooks. I hope and believe that everybody will follow our advice, and I welcome my students to join with us, because most of all that make you understand about the lessons during the COVID season. And tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I will try my best to go online class with your rest of the lessons. Thank you very much.